Morning, YouTubers. What's up? This is what I'm showing you today, not the box what to come in. I'm not much into stilettos. This one caught my eye. It's fairly big. That handle's got to be 4.5. Blades, I'm guessing close to 4. It does have an edge on it. Spring assist. $12.24 to the house, what it cost. I didn't think that was too bad. It's a 5CR 13 blade or 8CR blade, something like that. Not a mark on it anywhere. I thought it was kind of interesting for $12. Guys, girls, have a safe, dry weekend. It's raining dogs here now. Have a safe, dry weekend. Stay warm. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you.